In this video lesson, we can understand the concept of electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? And how it is follows to fill in outermost orbits or orbitals in electronic configuration. How it is followed? The electronic configuration, the arrangement of electrons. Electronic configuration is the arrangement of electrons in particular orbitals according to their energy is called as electronic configuration. The arrangement of electrons in particular orbitals according to their energy is called as electronic configuration. The electronic configuration must follow three rules to fill orbitals. The first one is the Hund's rule, Aufbau rule, Hund's rule, and Pauli's exclusive principle. We are discussing with one by one. The first one is the Aufbau principle. In Aufbau principle, according to this principle, the electrons are filled in various orbitals in order of their increasing energies. That means an orbital with lowest energy is filled first. That is called Aufbau principle. What is Aufbau principle? The electrons are filled in various orbitals increasing energies, the order of their increasing energies. That means S orbital will be first filled and then p orbital and next d orbital and then f orbital. That is, the order is like this. That is 1s less than 2s less than 2p less than 3s less than 3p, 4s less than 3d less than 4p less than, and 5p less than 6s less than, and 4f less than 5d. These are the ones having the lowest energy levels, and 5d, 6d, 7s, 5f and 6d are the highest energy levels. The order, according to this principle, Aufbau principle, an orbital with lowest energy is first filled, is called Aufbau principle. In the sequence is like this. The sequence of filling various orbitals are like this: 1s, 2s. Firstly, filled 1s orbital will be filled, next 2s, and then 2p. So, its n value, that means principal quantum number value, denotes the energy of the orbit. Principal quantum number denotes the energy of the orbit. So, 2p and 2s and 2p having same energy. So, 1s after filling, 2s, 2p. And after filling 3s, 3p, and next 4s, and then 3d, 5s, 5p. In the sequence is like this. This is the sequence of filled various orbitals. And next one is the Hund's rule. What is Hund's rule? And Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. The filling of electrons in the orbitals having equal energy degenerate orbitals. What is Hund's rule? The filling of electrons in Hund's rule, the electrons are filled in the orbitals having equal energy. That is called degenerated orbitals. Degenerated means p having 3 degenerate orbitals, that is px, py, pz, and d having dxy, dyz, that means 5 degenerate orbitals. These having px, py, pz, and dx having 5 degenerate orbital, that is dxy, dyz, dzx, and then dx square minus y square, and then dz square. These are the degenerated orbitals. This rule says that the filling of the electrons in the orbitals having equal energy. For example, we take chromium. The chromium atomic number is 4. The electronic configuration is 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 2, 3p. That means 1s2 is firstly filled. That means lowest energy level. That means lowest size of the energy orbit. And then 2s, and then 2p, and then 3s, 3p, and 4s2, 3d, 4. This having actual electronic configuration is like this, but in 3d orbital, degenerate orbital having unpaired electron, but it's not unstable. But it does not unstable. That means the one electron in 4s orbital jumps to 3d orbitals for stability, because 4s orbital having lowest energy than 3d orbital. So the one electron jumps to 3d 5 orbitals like this. But in actual general electronic configuration, it does not stable. That's why one electron jumps to 3d orbital so it's containing d5 electronic configuration, so it is stability. For stability, Hund's rule says that the degenerate orbitals are firstly filled. That is called Hund's rule. And next one is the Pauli's exclusive principle. In Pauli's exclusive principle, according to this principle says that no two electrons in an atom can have all the 4 quantum numbers. That means no 2 electrons in an atom can have same set of 4 quantum numbers. So any 2 electrons does not having 4 quantum numbers are not equal. This says that the Pauli's exclusive principle. In N, L, M, S are the 4 quantum numbers. N is the principal quantum number, L is the azimuthal quantum number, M is magnetic quantum number, and S is the spin quantum number. For example, we taking nitrogen. Nitrogen's atomic number is 7. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. This is the general electronic configuration. So, into last outermost shell containing 5 electrons, and outermost shell containing 2p orbital having 3 unpaired electrons. So we write only consider in 1s orbital the n value is principal quantum number. N value is like this: 1 in 2s orbital 2, 2p orbital having 2, 2, 2. That is called 2px, 2py, 2pz degenerate orbitals. So in px orbital having n value is 2, py having 2, and pz also having 2. And next is this is principal quantum number, and next L value always depends on the n value, that is L equal to n minus 1. So n minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. L value 0, M value 0. And next 2s orbital having 2, n value 2, 2 minus 1 equal to L value as 0. Why it is 0? These are the s orbitals. So s values is the 0, 0. It having 1, 1 electron. and magnetic moment of magnetic quantum number. So L value 0, M values 0, it having plus half, minus half and then 0, that is L value 0, so plus 1 minus 1 including 0. The spin quantum number is like this. So this all says that no to the in the states no two electrons in an atom can have 4 set of quantum numbers. 4 means same set of quantum numbers are not equal. What he says that according to this principle, no two electrons in an atom can have all the 4 quantum numbers. He is called as Pauli's exclusive principle.